Hi guys, we're back, and today we're going to do a candy pour, a chocolate pour, and today we're going to use candy melts, green food coloring, and red food coloring. And today, me and my mom are doing this, and we are going to have lots of fun. We hope you enjoy watching.
Okay, so as Nora told you, we're going to do a chocolate pour today. This is all for fun, so please nobody write to me and say, oh my gosh, you can't put silicone in chocolate. We are not putting any silicone in the chocolate, I promise. And I do not expect to have cells. So I don't want, please don't comment
Chocolate cells!
that I have no cells, because obviously it's probably going to be a big muddy mess. You're mixing green and red, and you know, of course the chocolate is all the same chocolate, so there's no weight. You know, the green's not going to be heavier than the red. So like I said, all for fun. I got this idea months and months ago when I was having lunch with Ella at school one day, and she used to bring me her popsicle sticks from her ice cream. And she brought home a popsicle stick and handed it to me. I unwrapped it from the napkin, and there was chocolate all over it because obviously it was a chocolate ice cream. And I said, what am I supposed to do with this? It's covered in chocolate. Do you want me to make a chocolate pour with it? And I kind of laughed to myself, and I thought, oh, chocolate pour. That might be fun, even though it's completely silly and ridiculous. But it's Christmas time, so we're just going to do something fun for today. So we're going to melt our chocolate, and I really don't know how this is going to work. The chocolate might solidify too much to actually do a pour. I don't know. So we're going to heat it up the best we can and go from there. I have covered this beautiful wood plank in saran wrap, because I thought what we could do with it later is turn it into bark. Hence the wood slab. We're using the wood slab to pour on. But like I said, it's covered in saran wrap, so we're not actually pouring on the wood itself. So we can just pull that up, break the chocolate up, and the girls can eat it. So this work of art will not be for sale because the kids are just going to eat it. All right, we'll be right back.
Like she said, when she got the idea, my sister Ella brought home a popsicle stick with chocolate on it, and it was a chocolate ice cream. Obviously, it's covered in chocolate. Of course, it's a chocolate ice cream.
Okay, we'll be right back.
Hi guys, we're back, and we've melted the chocolates, and we already added the food coloring, and now we are going to start our chocolate pour. As you can see, Mom is pouring in the chocolate paints. I just call them chocolate paints because they do look like it. And after that, I don't know what we're doing. A flip cut, I don't know.
We're not doing anything after it's silly.
But we are just going to see what happens, and I hope you enjoy. And just to remind you, this is not for sale.
We did add shortening to the chocolates to make them smoother.
Yes.
Ouch.
We didn't add too much because we didn't want it too thin.
This is actually like the consistency that I would make my paint, so I'm pretty sure this is all going to mix together as a big mess.
And we're doing Christmas colors since it's Christmas time, and we're doing red and green, as you can see, and we're doing some white because it's Christmassy, like snow. And red is like the big fat Santa, the big chubby one. And then green is like the Christmas trees.
All right. This is probably going to pour over everywhere. There we go. I think that's enough.
For the moment of truth. Now, how do you say it, Mom?
I have no idea. Oh, let me get something to set down. Oh, the piece de resistance.
The piece de resistance. battle resistance.
Alright, I'm just putting some cups under there so it will not be laying on the floor. Oops, maybe not. Let's try 3. There we go.
That's better.
Okay. There we go.
Whoa! Wow.
Okay, well,
it turned out kind
it turned purple.
Turned kind of purple if you're up close.
Alright, so let's, we're going to try and put some cells in there. Just because, you know,
Chocolate
we can.
cells.
Chocolate cells.
Chocolate cells. Chocolate cells. Just whatever some cells can. My sister is now here. She wasn't in the first, but now she is. I want one of those little chocolate melts so bad.
You can have one. Go ahead.
Yes.
Alright, y'all don't eat too many of those. I don't want you getting a bellyache.
Okay, we won't eat too many.
We gotta hurry up and spread this out before the chocolate cools too much on that cold board.
Right.
But I want to get a good amount of cells.
Yep.
Cells, anyway. Some chocolate cells here.
Yummy.
Don't lay on the table. You'll shake the camera.
Sorry, Mom, you raised some chocolate lovers.
I know that. Alright, a few more drops and we'll be done.
Okay.
Alright, y'all, put the candy down.
It's done.
Thank you. Whoops, that's a big cell.
Did you show them Holly yet?
No, baby.
Okay.
Gotta fix that one. Okay. I think that's enough cells. Okay. let's spread. Oh, and my pigment is breaking up. I really don't want it to go over the sides, but we may have to, just so it looks a little cooler.
At least it's edible paint.
Yeah, it's definitely edible paint. Well, I'm not sure if we added too much shortening and that broke up the pigments, you know, kind of like if you add too much floetrol. That's what I'm thinking. Maybe too much floetrol slash shortening, thank you. Okay, I think we're going to leave it right there. Let's torch it. Make sure we get out any air bubbles.
Tastes fine to me, Mom.
I don't see any other cells popping up.
Oh. I'm a chocoholic.
I actually am popping a few bubbles though, so.
You are. Oh.
Okay. There is your your Christmas chocolate pour.
Yum yum.
I'm not sure. I don't know. It might have been prettier if I just left the cells out of it, but Oh well. It's kind of cool. Let's get you down so you can see a close-up.
Stay around.
Okay. So, you can see where the pigments sort of broke up, but they look kind of pretty. Okay. Alright guys, like I said, this is... Hey, look, that one looks like an actual cell. All in fun, so please do not write to me and tell me I can't eat it, or, you know. That one kind of looks like a cell too. Right there, it's kind of pretty. I kind of like the way the colors broke up. Because then you can see like the color underneath it. Alright, let me put you back up.
Okay, so this is the end of the video. No. So I hope you have a very happy evening, anyways, sorry, evening, day, or night, and I hope you enjoyed, and I love you all. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Okay, so this is the this is the end, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was fun. It was like more of a mess, I'd say, almost than resin. It was fun though. I want to thank all my subscribers, all my viewers. I love you guys. Thank you all for supporting me. I hope you guys have really wonderful holidays. And wherever you're on the planet, I hope you're having an awesome afternoon, day, evening, or night. See you later. Bye.